The dash interface transmits one bit at a time. A. Parallel. B. SCSI. C. Serial. D. Fiber. The correct answer is serial. Data moves through the network in a structure called dash. A. Payload. B. Payback. C. Packets. D. Datagram. The correct answer is packets. Which of the following is a valid MAC address? A. R65EC6FC4YZ. B. 44FFAB. C. 3065EC6FC458. D. A9B64D3B. The correct answer is 3065EC6FC458. In respect of IPv4 and IPv6, which one is not true? A. IPv4 uses 64 bits for addressing. B. IPv6 uses 128 bits for addressing. C. Under IPv4 networks are divided into three classes. D. The number of networks in classes A, B, and C were respectively 27, 214, and 221. The correct answer is IPv4 uses 64 bits for addressing. What does AD stand for? A. Electronic data interchange. B. Electronic data interaction. C. Electronic data interface. D. E-commerce data interface. The correct answer is electronic data interface. A data dash is a repository of information collected from multiple sources over a history of time, stored under a unified schema, and used for data analysis and decision support. A. Warehouse. B. Repository. C. Mine. D. None of the above. The correct answer is warehouse. A digital signature is A. Scanned signature. B. Signature in binary form. C. Encrypting information. D. Signature stored in cloud. The correct answer is encrypting information. What kind of architecture does mobile computing deploy? A. 2-layered. B. 3-layered. C. 4-layered. D. 5-layered. The correct answer is 3-layered. Which segment do eBay.com, Amazon.com belong to? A. C2C. B. B2C. C. C2B. D. B2B. The correct answer is B2C. Typical speed of current fastest supercomputers is measured in A. Petaflops. B. Gigahertz. C. MIPS. D. None of the above. The correct answer is petaflops. Parallel virtual machine, PVM, refers to A. Software tool. B. Workstation. C. Supercomputer. D. None of the above. The correct answer is software tool. Which of the following is not a phase during the communication via circuit switching? A. Data transfer. B. Circuit disconnect. C. Tunneling. D. None of the above. The correct answer is tunneling. The dash greatly reduces the time required to access a single record, without sacrificing the sequential nature of the file. A. Sequential file. B. Indexed sequential file. C. Direct file. D. Relative file. The correct answer is indexed sequential file. When customers of a website are unable to access it due to flooding of fake network traffic, it is known as A. Virus. B. Trojan horse. C. Cracking. D. Denial of service attack. The correct answer is denial of service attack. Which web browser was developed by Google? A. Internet Explorer. B. Firefox. C. Safari. D. Chrome. The correct answer is Chrome. Safari browser is installed with which operating system by default? A. Windows. B. Linux. C. Mac. D. Ubuntu. The correct answer is Mac. Arrange the following memory types in the decreasing order of their access speed. A. Registers, cache, hard disk drive, magnetic tape. B. Cache, registers, hard disk drive, magnetic tape. C. Registers, cache, magnetic tape, hard disk drive. D. Magnetic tape, hard disk drive, cache, registers. The correct answer is registers, cache, hard disk drive, magnetic tape. Who is also known as the father of modern computer? A. Charles Babbage. B. Alan Turing. C. John von Neumann. D. Kurt G. Dill. The correct answer is Alan Turing. The digital computer is based on A. Charles Babbage architecture. B. John von Neumann architecture. C. Alan Turing architecture. D. None of the above. The correct answer is John von Neumann architecture. A computer program that manages computer hardware resources is known as A. Memory manager. B. Database management system. C. Operating system. D. System software. The correct answer is operating system. The time needed to move the head to a specific track in a hard disk is called A. Rotational latency. B. Reach time. C. Track find time, TFT. D. Seek time. The correct answer is seek time. Identify the correct arrangement of networks in the descending order of their geographic area coverage. A. LAN WAN MAN. B. WAN LAN MAN. C. LAN MAN WAN. D. WAN MAN LAN. The correct answer is WAN MAN LAN. NTFS stands for A. Network File System. B. Nanotechnology File System. C. New Technology File System. D. Non-Tamperable File System. The correct answer is New Technology File System. Identify the correct statement. A. TCP is connection-oriented protocol and UDP is connectionless. B. TCP is connectionless protocol and UDP is connection-oriented. C. Both TCP and UDP are connectionless. D. Both TCP and UDP are connection-oriented. The correct answer is TCP is connection-oriented protocol and UDP is connectionless. Identify the correct statement. A. Firewall is a software that monitors network traffic and strains out potentially harmful data. B. Firewall works at the network protocol level. C. Both A and B are correct. D. Neither A nor B is correct. The correct answer is both and are correct. A. C is A 7-bit code. B. 8-bit code. C. 16-bit code. D. 32-bit code. The correct answer is 7-bit code. A computer program that translates high-level language into machine language is known as A. Macroprocessor. B. Microprocessor. C. Compiler. D. Assembler. The correct answer is compiler. In the architecture of a computer, ALU stands for A. Analytical unit. B. Arithmetic logic unit. C. Abstraction logic unit. D. None of the above. The correct answer is arithmetic logic unit. Which of the following can be used for searching and downloading files from Internet? A. Browser. B. Compiler. C. Interpreter. D. Assembler. The correct answer is browser. Technology used in the first generation computer is A. Integrated circuit. B. Vacuum tubes. C. Transistors. D. All of these. The correct answer is vacuum tubes. Without user knowledge, collecting user information can be done using A. Hardware. B. Software. C. Freeware. D. Spyware. The correct answer is spyware. A device that takes physiological information about a person and stores in a computer. A. Software. B. Digital camera. C. Microphone. D. Biometric. The correct answer is biometric. Mnemonics symbols are used in which language? A. Assembly. B. High level. C. Basic. D. Fortran. The correct answer is assembly. Which one is a voice-based personal assistant in Windows 10 devices for performing search and settings? A. Windows Hello. B. Google Glass. C. Oculus Rift. D. Cortana. The correct answer is Cortana. A temporary storage area attached to the CPU for I/O operations is A. Chip. B. Buffer. C. Register. D. Core. The correct answer is buffer. A temporary storage area attached to the CPU for I/O operations is A. John McAfee. B. Fred Cohen. C. Ted Nelson. D. Lance Hoffman. The correct answer is Fred Cohen. The number of processes completed per unit time is known as A. Output. B. Throughput. C. Efficiency. D. Capacity. The correct answer is throughput. An exception is another name for A. Compile error. B. Logic error. C. Runtime error. D. Syntax error. The correct answer is runtime error. What does IDE stand for? A. Integrated Development Environment. B. Integrated Design Environment. C. Interior Development Environment. D. Interior Design Environment. The correct answer is Integrated Development Environment. The ability to temporarily halt the CPU and use this time to send information on buses is called A. Direct memory access. B. Vectoring the interrupt. C. Polling. D. Cycle stealing. The correct answer is cycle stealing. Register variable is stored in A. Processor. B. RAM. C. ROM. D. Peripheral memory. The correct answer is processor. Where does the swap space reside? A. RAM. B. Disk. C. ROM. D. On-chip cache. The correct answer is disk. In round-robin scheduling, as the time quantum is increased, the average turnaround time A. increases. B. decreases. C. remains constant. D. varies irregularly. The correct answer is varies irregularly. FIFO scheduling is A. preemptive scheduling. B. non-preemptive scheduling. C. deadlock scheduling. D. fair share scheduling. The correct answer is non-preemptive scheduling. Which of the following can correct error? A. CRC. B. Hamming code. C. parity. D. check digit. The correct answer is Hamming code. The mechanism that brings a page into memory only when it is needed is called A. segmentation. B. fragmentation. C. demand paging. D. page replacement. The correct answer is demand paging. What is a shell? A. It is a hardware component. B. It is a command interpreter. C. It is a part of compiler. D. It is a tool in CPU scheduling. The correct answer is it is a command interpreter. Which one of the following is a high-level data model? A. network model. B. hierarchical model. C. ER model. D. none of the above. The correct answer is ER model. A bottom-up parser generates A. leftmost derivation. B. rightmost derivation. C. rightmost derivation in reverse. D. leftmost derivation in reverse. The correct answer is rightmost derivation in reverse. In a compiler, Grouping of characters into tokens is done by the A. Scanner, B. Parser, C. Code generator, D. Code optimizer. The correct answer is Scanner.